Neoplasia that replicate continuously the growth of the cell in the tissues, which is abnormal growth, is totally depend on responsive of endocrine system. Firstly, remember what is neoplasia? Growth cell. Continuously replication of the cell. Now, the term neoplasia, also known as tumor. From where the tumor came? Tumor formed due to the response of endocrine system tumor formed due to the response of endocrine system due to the endocrine hormone. When hormonal level isn't in normal condition, unresponse of the endocrine system that form the tumors. Two types of tumors. One is malignant tumor, another is benign tumor. Firstly, we are discussing what is malignant tumor. Listen, this type of tumor arises in the mesenchymal tissues, This type of tumor, very hard structure, solid structure. When malignant tumor arise, they damage the structure of the cell, they damage the structure. For example, they arise in blood vessel. When they arise in, these types of tumor are also in parenchymal cells, but mostly in mesenchymal, but they also arise in parenchymal cells. Then tumor arise in blood vessel. Look at the structure. When tumor arise in blood vessel, they damage the structure, blockage of blood vessel and metastasis. When metastasis, at least the death of the patient, at least the death of the person. What? The last stage of cancer, metastasis. Why this type of tumor are so dangerous? They form by the fat-like cell. That's why they are so dangerous. They arise, they develop by the fat. That's why they are so dangerous. And in this condition, the person death at the last. And other point I want to explain you that when the tumor arise in squamous cell, they are also known as squamous cell carcinoma. Squamous cell carcinoma. When tumor formed in gland-like cells, When tumor formed in gland-like cells known as adenocarcinoma. Another tumor known as benign tumor. Malignant tumor, it is not a uncommon types of tumor. Real types of tumor known as malignant tumor. Benign tumor, it is common types of tumor, and these types of tumor are removed surgically very easily. Malignant tumor. Removed surgically. Most common types of tumor. Now, papilloma, adenoma, benign tumor types, which is papilloma, adenoma, polyps, cystadenoma, These four types are known as benign tumors. These types arise in the mesenchymal cells, and you can treat very easily, but benign tumors are also arise in the gland-like cells, and it can arise even any surface of the structure of the it can arise even any surface of the body, in the skin, in the blood vessel, in the tissues. It can arise. Skin, blood vessel, tissues. So this information for you guys, I hope you understand. Neoplasia, growth cells, continuous replication of the cell, and neoplasia, also known as tumor, that depend on endocrine system. If the responsive endocrine system is normal, there is no formation of tumor, there is no cancer. But endocrine system isn't responsive good, tumor form, two types of tumor, benign tumor and malignant tumor. Malignant tumor are so very dangerous types of tumor, which is so solid, hard, the structure that damage the structure. When they damage the structure, metastasis, the last stage of the cancer. After the metastasis, the person death. The last stage of metastasis, it goes in that condition. And why malignant tumors are so dangerous? Because they form by fat cells, and when tumors form gland-like cells known as adenocarcinoma, and when tumors form in squamous cells, they are also known as squamous cell carcinoma. Benign tumors removed surgically, it is common types of tumor, and papilloma, adenoma, polyps, and cystadenoma are known as benign tumors. And they arise in gland cells, skin, blood vessel, tissues, even in any surface of the body. Thank you so much. Again, enjoy it.